Rain sounds make many people feel calm. But why does this happen? Rain sounds are soft, steady, and predictable. Our brain sees loud and sudden noises as danger, but rain falls in a gentle and regular rhythm. This rhythm tells the brain, there is no danger, you are safe. Rain sounds also help the parts of the brain that are connected to rest and calm. Our heart beats more slowly, our breathing becomes gentle, and our body starts to relax. That's why listening to rain helps us feel safe and peaceful. It can help us focus better and calm down more easily. Some people even fall asleep faster when they hear rain sounds. Because the brain understands rain as a message that everything is okay.